Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1A, that is quadratic equations and functions. In this lesson I'll solve basic level question number 1. Question says solve each of the following equations. We have to understand what is the meaning of word solve. Solve or solution means to find the values of unknowns. Then we have to think about that what technique is suitable for the question. There are different techniques. One of the technique can be hit and trial method. And what is the standard quadratic equation? Let's move to the question. Question is 2x square plus 5x minus 7. It's the standard quadratic equation. I can factorize this question with the help of hit and trial method. If you find any difficulty in understanding of hit and trial method, you can watch my D2's chapter number 3's lesson, for which I'll give the reference in the description box. So let's move to the solution. What we have to do, we have to multiply the constant with the coefficient of the term having part 2, and the product comes 14 with minus sign. Then what we have to do, we have to make the factors of 14 in such a way that when we add or subtract, we get the middle term, which is 5, and when we multiply, we get product, which is minus 14. So I hope 7 and 2 are the possible choices. So what I have to do, I have to break this expression in 4 terms. 2x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Then what we have to see is that my expression has divided in 4 terms, and then I have to extract some number or letter as a common factor. So I'm making the groups of like terms, and from each group I have to extract some number or letter common. From 2x square plus 7x, x is common, I'll write it outside, and inside the bracket I will be left with 2x plus 7. Coming to the second part, I can see minus 2x minus 7. Here we have minus sign as a common factor. I'll take minus 1 out, and 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Then we can see that this whole group 2x plus 7 is the common group. I will extract it. This lesson will be very easy for you if you are clear about D2 chapter number 3, x minus 1 equals to 0. Now I have to apply either or condition. Either 2x plus 7 equals to 0. This will give me 2x equals to minus 7, and x equals to, shift this 2 to other side, 7 by 2 or minus 3.5, or the other route, x minus 1 equals to 0 or x equals to 1. So I hope you are clear about what is the meaning of word solution. Solution means to find the values of unknown. Let's move to the second question. Second question is 4x square minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Question is in standard quadratic equation form. Multiply 6 with the coefficient of square term. That will give me 24 with minus sign. Make the prime factors quickly. 24, I will not be going in detail. 2 12s, 2 6s, and 2 3s. This will become 2, 2, 2, and 3. I have to set the numbers in a way that when I add or subtract, I should get minus 5. And on multiplication, I have to get 24 with minus sign. So I think that possible choice and the suitable choice will be 4x square minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8x plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Here it is important that the middle term is negative, so the bigger factor will have negative sign. Now the expression has divided in 4 terms. From these 4 terms, I have to make the groups of like terms. I can put these 2 terms in one group. and I can put these two terms in one group. Now from each group I have to extract some number or letter as a common factor. From the first group I can take 4x as a common factor and I will left with x minus 2. Coming to the second part, from 3 and 6, 3 is common. I will take it out. X minus 2 equals to 0. Again see that this whole group is common. I have to extract it out. X minus 2 and 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Then I have to apply either or condition. Either x minus 2 will be equal to 0. X minus 2 will be equals to 0 and this will give me x equals to 2, or 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Shift 3 to other side. When I will be shifting 3 to other side, it will be with negative sign, and then I have to remove this 4, which is the coefficient of x, to other side, and this will become minus 0.75. I hope you are clear about this question. The solution or roots of this question are x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 0.75. Here it's really important that as the equation has the maximum part 2, so it must have two solutions or two roots. Coming to the third question, that is 7x plus x square minus 18 equals to 0. If you look at the question is not in standard quadratic equation form. Here I have to rearrange this side. I have to write the square term in the beginning, then the product term 7x minus 18 equals to 0. Now this side is in standard expression form. What we have to do, the procedure is same, that multiply 18 with the coefficient of square term, that becomes 18 with negative sign. Make the prime factors. 2 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are 2 3 3 and 1. Set the factors in a way that when you add or subtract you get 7, and when you multiply you get 18. I hope 9 and 2 are the suitable choices. 9 with positive sign and 2 with negative sign. Let's move to the question and break the middle term in 4 terms. X square. Break the expression in 4 terms. X square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 equals to 0. Make the groups of like terms and extract some number or letter as a common factor. From the first group, I can extract x out, and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 9. Coming to the second group, I can see that 2 and 18 can come in table of 2, so I will extract 2 outside. One more thing, both the terms are having minus sign, so I will extract minus sign out, and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 9 equals to 0. Again see, this whole group is same or common. Extract the common group out. X plus 9 into x plus 2 equals to 0. Then apply either or condition. Either x plus 9 equals to 0. This will give me x equals to minus 9. Shift 9 towards other side to get the solution. Or x plus 2, x minus 2, sorry, this is negative sign, x minus 2 equals to 0 and x equals to 2. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. and write the comments in comment sections and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.